In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Schwab. It is very easy to do. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So to buying a Bitcoin on Schwab, you need to know that you can't directly buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency on Schwab because the platform doesn't currently offer direct deposit, direct cryptocurrency trading. However, you can gain the exposure to the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies through the alternative investment option on Schwab. So here's how you can do. You can buy the Bitcoin ETFs. Scopes online Scopes Charles Schwab allow you to invest in Bitcoin related ETFs which track the price of Bitcoin or the company involved in cryptos. For example, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF or the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Now to buy these stocks, you need to log in your Charles Schwab account, go to the trading, search for the ETF ticker symbol such as the BITO for the Process Bitcoin Strategy ETF and the GBTC for Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Enter the number of shares you want to buy and confirm the purchase. Second thing you can do is invest in crypto related stocks. You can invest in the companies heavily involved in cryptocurrency or the blockchain technology such as Coinbase, MicroStrategy, Android platforms, and the Marathon Digital. Now to buy these stocks, you need to log in your Charles Schwab account, search for the company ticker symbol such as Coin Master, and then place a trade to buy these shares. Now the third option that you can use, trade Bitcoin futures. So this is the advanced feature. So if you are experienced trader, you can trade the Bitcoin futures through the Charles Schwab using its futures trading platform. Now Bitcoin futures trades on the CHME Chicago Mercantile Exchange and allows you to speculate on the Bitcoin price without owning the asset. To trade these futures, you need to enable future trades on your Charles Schwab account. Ensure you meet the account and margin requirement. Now the third thing you can do is use a third-party crypto exchange. If you want to directly buy Bitcoin, you need to use a crypto exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or the Gemini. You can transfer the fund from your Charles Schwab account to the crypto exchange to make the purchase. That is how you can buy the Bitcoin on Charles Schwab. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.